students, how are you all? I hope you all are pretty well. So students, today we are going to discuss a wonderful chapter. As you can see on the screen, the title of the chapter is Rip Van Winkle. So students, this story is about Rip Van Winkle, a good natured, a kind-hearted person, okay, generous person, kind-hearted person, but he was a lazy man, right? Lazy person who goes away into the hills and falls asleep. When he awakens 20 years later, and after 20 years जब वो उठता है, something happened. Rip finds that quite a few things have changed. After 20 years, when he woke up from his sleep, what happened? Something changes he found over there. So obviously after 20 years, if today you will sleep, and after 20 years when you will wake up, the things will not be like this only. Some kind of changes you are going to find. So students, what we are going to do in this chapter? Exactly, we are going to read the chapter line by line. We are going to underline the difficult words and we will come to know the meanings. So a lot to know, a lot to discuss. Shall I start? Are you ready? Just have a pencil with you. So let's move on to the chapter. So students, let's start reading the chapter. Many years ago at the foothills of the Catskill Mountains was a little village. So students, story goes like this. Many years ago there was a village where it was situated at the foothills of the Catskill. So underline this word Catskill. Okay, this is the hard word, difficult word. Okay, there was at the foothills of Catskill mountain there was a little village, right? In the village lived a simple, good-natured fellow named Rip Van Winkle. So children, underline this word natured. So you know what happened? In that village there was a person whose name was Rip Van Winkle. उस गांव में एक person रहता था, उसका नाम था Rip Van Winkle. Getting me? He was a kind neighbor, and he was neighbor, underline this word. He was kind neighbor, ready to help anyone, right? Everyone in the village liked him. Everyone in the village liked him, right students? Let's see, wait a minute. Everyone in the village liked him. As you can see, this is Rip Van Winkle, okay? And everyone in the village liked him. The children of the village shouted with joy whenever they saw him, because he played with them, he taught them to fly kites and shoot marbles and told them long stories. So why these children liked Rip Van Winkle? There is some reason. Do you know what? Because he played with them. Correct. He played with them. He taught them to fly kites. Taught student Taught. Taught. Underline this word taught. Underline this word taught given over here. Got it? Yes, this is taught. Taught, students, this is V2, second form of the verb. Taught. But what is first form? First form of the verb is teach. Clear? So teach, taught, and V3 also taught. Teach, taught, taught. Getting me, students? So he taught them to fly kites and shoot marbles and told them long stories. So वो उनके साथ खेलता था, स्टोरी बताता था. तो बच्चे उनको क्या करते थे, रिप एंड विंकल को? They loved him a lot. Right, getting me, students? Now let's move on to the next para. See how these children, how they are enjoying. Can you see? Okay. Now let's move on to the next para. So students, the only problem with Rip was that he was very lazy. So students, underline this word problem and lazy. Lazyproblem. Okay. So only problem, what was the problem over there? Because he was very lazy. Okay. Lazy मतलब आलसी. जब कोई काम नहीं करते हैं उसको lazy बोलते हैं. Okay. He did no work on his own farm and just idled away. That means wasted. his time. That means in his own farm. He had a farm, but he was not working over there. Okay, so that means he wasted his time totally, completely, and he did not do any work in his farm. Okay, his fences were falling to pieces. Fences, underline this word, students. Fences, it's given over here. Fences, that means a barrier. Okay, were falling to pieces, टुकड़ों में बट रहा था, टूट रहा था. Okay, his cows was going astray and cows was also moving here and there. Okay, weeds grew on his farm. Okay, weeds, that means unwanted plant. Up when you will, if you do not look after your garden, if you do not look after your farm, what is going to happen over there? Right, exactly. So same thing happened over there. That means unwanted plant started growing. Why it started growing? Just because Rip and Winkle was not paying attention at all. He was lazy boy. He was not working at all. Though he had a farm, but he was not working over there. Right? Getting me, students? Rip's constant companion, constant, underline this word, constant, steady, steady, and companion, that means partner, friend. Okay, was his dog, and his companion friend was, that means who was always with him, that is his dog, and his dog name was Wolf, Wolf, Wolf. Okay, to avoid hard work, he would walk away into the forest with his dog. And see, he was such a lazy boy that for avoiding the work, where he went away into the forest. काम नहीं करने के लिए वो कहाँ चला गया? जंगल में चला गया, and with his dog. Getting me, students? So Rip Van Winkle was a lazy man, lazy person. He did not work in his own farm, right? And his constant companion was his dog, and his name was Wolf. Getting me? Now let's move on to the next para. So students, one day Reeve just walked on and reached the highest part of the mountains. Underline this word, mountains. Okay, mountains, students, and highest, underline. So one day what happened? Reeve Van Winkle, he was just walked on and on. Okay, continuously he was walking. Where he was walking? He was walking, he was climbing the mountains. Okay, it was late in the afternoon when he reached there. Okay, when he reached over there, it was late. Okay, tired after his long climb. As when, if you also climb the mountain, how do you feel? You will feel tired, exhausted. So similarly here, students, Rip Van Winkle, he got tired, and when he got tired, what he did, do you know? He lay down and began daydreaming. That means he slept over there. Okay, वो वहाँ पे सो गया, सपने देखने लगा. राइट, इट वॉज सून इवनिंग एंड ही रियलाइज इट वुड बी नाइट बाय द टाइम ही रीच्ड हिज विलेज. एंड आफ्टर दैट, आफ्टर सम टाइम ही रियलाइज्ड कि अब तो इवनिंग हो चुकी है, और यदि वो नीचे, इट वुड बी नाइट बाय टाइम ही रीच्ड हिज विलेज, और यदि वो नीचे जाता है, प्लानिंग करता है टू गेट डाउन, नीचे जाने का, तो वो लेट हो जाएगा, रात हो जाएगी. सो let us see what his planning over here. So now let's move on to the next para. Getting me, students? Suddenly he heard a voice calling out, Rip Van Winkle! Rip Van Winkle! He looked around and saw a short old man with thick hair and a grizzled beard walking towards him with a barrel. So what happened, students? First of all, just underline the word suddenly. Okay, suddenly, and after that grizzled, that means having hair that is gray. Okay, that is called grizzle. Beard, you know very well, dadhi. Okay, and so what happened then? Suddenly, all of a sudden, Rip and Winkle heard a voice, Rip and Winkle, Rip and Winkle. And when Rip and Winkle, he looked around, what he saw, do you know? A man, short old man with thick hair, and his hair, as you can see over here, thick hair was there. Okay, thick hair and a grizzled beard walking towards him with a barrel. And this is barrel, students. Wait a minute, this is barrel. This is barrel, kind of container, holding a barrel coming towards him. Okay. So what happened then? He made a sign to help him carry the barrel. Now the sign, the expression which he made, that was asking him to help him. Okay, to help to carry the container. Okay. Rip hurried to help the stranger. Stranger, underline students. A stranger, you know very well, stranger, unknown person. As you know, Rip Van Winkle's nature, his nature was very kind hearted, soft hearted, polite nature, helping nature. So he went towards the man to help him. Getting me? उसने उसकी मदद करने के लिए आगे बढ़ा. Right. So Rip hurried to help the stranger, who caught his hand tightly. Together they reached a place where there were some more odd looking man playing nine pins. Now this Rip Van Winkle and this old man, they both went there, the place where some more people were also over there. They, what they were doing, do you know? वो खेल रहे थे, एक गेम खेल रहे थे. They were playing a game and the game name was nine pins. Nine pins, students, it is a traditional form of the game. Okay, so they were playing nine pins, underline. Okay, nine pins, underline. Kind of odd game they were playing. Right, they were all dressed the same way and all of them had beard of various shapes and colors. Now what happened, as you can see over here on the screen, as you can see over here, students, they all have you can see their beard. उनके beard दे सकते हो, कलरफुल beard हैं, different color हैं. Okay, and सबने कैसा ड्रेस पहना हुआ है? They were all dressed the same way है. Okay, and various shapes and colors unke beards you can see over there, even though they were playing a game. And what happened, they were playing over there a game. Their faces were serious, and while they were playing game, do you know students, जब वो game खेल रहे थे उनका faces कैसा था? Do you know? Serious. Underline this word serious. Wait a minute. Okay, so their faces were serious and there was silence. Underline this word silence. Silence. Their faces were serious and there were silence. Okay, serious and silence. Serious and silence. Okay, silence was there. The only sound, the noise of the balls which echoed. Echoed, underline students, which echoed, repeated sound was coming when they were playing. Okay, जब वो बिल्कुल silence था, बिल्कुल सन्नाटा था उस जगह पे, लेकिन एक जब वो when they were playing जो sound आती है, बॉल की sound आ रही थी, जो वो echoed की sound आ रही थी. Okay, in the mountains like thunder, and the sound was just like thunder. Getting me, students? Now let's move on to the next para. So students, I hope you have understood. Up till now, I hope you have understood. In my next class, I am going to explain the remaining part. Thank you so much. Keep learning, keep practicing. Bye.